Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone and WhatsApp app are updated. Once done, open Settings, then Notifications, and find WhatsApp. Allow notifications and sounds so alerts can reach you. Next, check Focus or Do Not Disturb. If it's on, notifications are suppressed. Make sure WhatsApp is allowed during that focus or turn it off entirely. Also grant background app refresh so messages can trigger local alerts. These steps ensure the phone is ready to receive. Now inspect WhatsApp's internal settings so alerts aren't blocked at the app level. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings then Notifications, enable message, group, and call notifications and pick a sound. Next, check high-volume chats. Open a chat and confirm it isn't muted or that custom notifications aren't set to none. Make sure vibration is on if you rely on haptics. If you use low power mode, note it can delay background activity, so test alerts after re-enabling normal power. Finish by forcing a clean state. Restart your iPhone first. If notifications still fail, offload or reinstall WhatsApp to clear corrupt settings. Note your chat backup before reinstalling. You can also reset network settings if packets aren't reaching Apple Push Notification Service. Once reinstalled, regrant notification permissions and test with a friend or a new group. If issues persist, sign out and back into iCloud, or try your account on another iPhone to isolate device versus account problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.